Kumusta na po yung PBB ng mga guro ng DepEd? Dahil alam natin, dininay po ito. Pero according to my sources, there might be a positive development. Tama po ba?
Madam Chair, tama po. Meron po tayong positive development sa PBB ng DepEd. It has been granted po yung kanilang request for the PBB. But we're still waiting for the official signed resolution by the TWG members. But I was told that it was granted, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Napakagandang balita. Since I have limited time, I'll move to my next question. Yung PowerPoint po.
Ayan, mga ka-Jesnabs. Si ACT Teacher Representative Tenyo, tinanong si Secretary ng DBM, Department of Budget and Management, si Pangandaman tungkol sa PBB 2023 ng DepEd. Positive daw. Positive na meron po tayong PBB 2023. So, hintayin na lang daw yung formal na pagsumiti ng resolution ng TWG tungkol sa Performance-Based Bonus 2023. Mukhang buhay na buhay ang dugo ng mga teachers ngayon. Kasi akala nila wala na yung PBB 2023. Kung saan last na PBB na sana ito. Pero hindi pa mabibigyan ng teachers. Pero ayan po, dahil sa sagot ni Secretary Pangandaman na talagang meron po tayong PBB, it's a very good news po. Kaya magbunyi mga guro, meron na tayong PBB. Guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.